Simple harmonic motion. Any motion that repeats itself at a regular interval of time is known as periodic motion. If a periodic motion is represented by a sinusoidal function of time t, then the motion is called simple harmonic motion. It can also be represented as sine or cosine of time t. In other words, we can say that if a periodic motion is a simple harmonic motion, then we use the function of sine and cosine, or I should say the graph of sine and cosine, to represent the simple harmonic motion. The equation of the wave is given as y xt is equal to a sine kx minus omega t plus phi, and this is basically the standard equation for a simple harmonic motion. Now what we are going to do, we are going to talk about some basic terms that we need to know in order to define a simple harmonic motion. So the first term that we need to know is period and frequency. The frequency f of the oscillation is defined as the number of complete oscillations per second. Its SI unit is per second or hertz. Let the time to complete one oscillation is t, then the frequency is defined as f is equal to 1 over t, because frequency is 1 over time period. The next term that we are going to talk about is displacement. So the equation of the wave is given as y of xt is equal to a sine kx minus omega t plus phi, where y is the displacement, or I should say change in position of the wave producing a periodic motion or simple harmonic motion. And as we know, yxt is the displacement of the wave, and this is how we define the simple harmonic motion.